ABC. Down from A to Z. I know my ABCs. Won't you come and sing with me?
Learning all our ABCs. ABCs, we'll break them down from A to Z. A to Z, we're learning all our ABCs. ABCs, now won't you come and sing with me? Now won't you come and sing with me? A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. And D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. And F is for frog. Frog. G is for goat. Goat. And H is for hog. Learning all our ABCs. ABCs, we'll break them down from A to Z. A to Z, we're learning all our ABCs. ABCs, now won't you come and sing with me? Now won't you come and sing with me? I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for jam. Jam. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. And L is for lamb. Lamb. M is for monkey. Monkey. And N is for nine. Nine. O is for owl. Owl. And P is for pine. Pine. Learning all our ABCs. ABCs, we'll break them down from A to Z. A to Z, we're learning all our ABCs. ABCs, now won't you come and sing with me? Now won't you come and sing with me? Q is for quail. Quail. And R is for rain. Rain. S is for snail. Snail. And T is for train. Train. U is for us. Us. And V is for vole. Vole. W for whale. Whale. And X for xylophone. Learning all our ABCs. ABCs, we'll break them down from A to Z. A to Z, we're learning all our ABCs. ABCs, now won't you come and sing with me? Now won't you come and sing with me? Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. And Z is for zoo. Zoo. I just learned my ABCs. ABCs, I hope you learned them too.